Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a way in which you can record or screen record your PC using Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is a free option. You know, these screen recorders come with premium options, and then if you don't have money you can use them. I'm going to show you a way that you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to record your screens, your tutorials and everything, and after that export them into a video form. So now let me show you guys something. I have a video I recorded with PowerPoint. You can see presentation here. Good. You can see PowerPoint opened here. So this is a screen recording and it recorded the screen in an HD form. Very nice. You can see before I exported it here. This PowerPoint. I'm going to show you how you can do something like this. So now let's get going. So to do this, let's just open a blank presentation here. So on here, let me choose a blank one. Let me clear this one. And then let me come to my recordings here. And now let me initiate a new recording. You can screenshot as well. Let me start a screen recording. Good. Now let me come back. Good. Now I record. So the recording has started. I'm recording. So maybe I want to do a tutorial in this thing. Wow. Google Chrome. I want to delete something. Empty my recycle bin. Something like that. So if you want to stop the video, you just put the cursor on PowerPoint here. Or you can put the cursor here and then you pause the video here. And then you click on this to save it, and you can see I have it exported here. So here you have it in a presentation form. So now let's export it so now we'll be exporting it in a video type, and then we get our HD video screen recording. So now let me come here, you move to files here, then you move to export here, and then you create a video. You get me? Because if you choose this, you are going to export it in a PDF form. So now we want a video, and then we create a video here. And now presentation, you can see presentation 3. So you can choose to save it in any folder. So I want it here in the downloads, just like I did this presentation 1. Now I save it here. And good, it's saving. Look at this, it's loading. So after the loading is done, you have a fully accessible video, and you can upload it straight away on YouTube. So now let me click on the video for you to see, and you can see I'm moving the cursor, and you remember I deleted this. I did that, and as I was struggling here on top here, you can see everything here. Very much simple and easy. So if you don't have money and then you can't go with this premium screen recorders, you can use your Microsoft PowerPoint to do this. Simple and easy. So with the loading section, it's going to take time. If your video is a long one, it's a short one, it's going to, load very much faster. But then in our case, our video is very short, so good. So the video is done here. Now let's move to this side. Good, presentation 3. We have a fully video here. Look at it. So this is a screen recording here. So if you don't have money to go with these screen recorders, their premium option, you can go with this and download your videos or screen record your videos in HD, fully HD, and upload it on YouTube. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.